You go to the other room.
What?
You can see the truck there.
What's the
The
other
other
room?
room.
The
Yeah.
other bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.